Most valuable Lincoln Shield penny. Okay, the 2015D, 2015 no mint mark, 2014D, 2014 and 2013D Shield penny. Okay, I have information here for the most valuable. Okay, I will read the information. Information I got. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 2015 D Lincoln cent was graded MS67 Plus RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and fetched $350 in a 2018 auction. Yes, the most valuable 2015 D Lincoln cent graded MS67 Plus RD is already worth $350. Okay, moving on to 2015 penny, no mint mark. The most valuable 2015 penny was graded MS67 Plus RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and sold for $159 in a 2018 sale. Yes, 2015 penny without a mint mark, graded MS67 Plus RD. It's already worth $159. Okay, next. 2014 Deep Penny. No, 2014 Deep Penny, okay? The most valuable 2014 Deep Penny was graded MS69RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and sold for $2,200 in 2018. Okay, 2014 D Penny graded MS69RD, $2,200. Okay, moving on to 2014 No Mint Mark Penny. The most valuable 2014 No Mint Mark Penny, which was graded MS69RD by Numismatic Guarantee Company and sold for $1,995 in 2018. Okay, 2014 No Mint Mark Penny graded MS69RD, so already worth $1,995. Okay, next, 2013D Shield Penny. There are some 2013D pennies worth even more than that. For example, the most valuable 2013D penny was graded MS69RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and fetched a whopping $2,750 at a 2019 auction. 2013D pennies graded MS69RD is already worth $2,750. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Bye for now and have a great day.